As my old MIG welder was not performing quite well, I decided to buy a small little unit. This uses a roll of wire. This one is 0.8 millimeters diameter thick wire, and it's called a MIG welder, which stands for metal inert gas. I also bought a piece of hose for my other pneumatic work, gas regulator, because this type of welder uses a gas bottle, and then it's the machine itself. The machine comes with the guns and everything, and some little drive thing to push the wire through the tubes to the nozzle. On these machines you've only got voltage and wire speed to adjust, and listen, that's when you let go of the wire. In order to stop the wire from just exploding and running all over the shop, I put a little bit of a tube around it to keep it in position while I feed it through the system. Basically, this was the trial layout of the welder stand that I was looking at. I looked around the workshop for scrap metal, scrap wheels, and I had to buy the 2 plastic white wheels. And at the end of the day, everything worked out quite nicely to get everything nice and square. I also used the new machine to do the welding. And as I'm not really in the welding business, my eyesight and everything, and nothing happened. Nothing happens. I wonder what happened here. Oh, you need to switch the machine on to make this work. Okay, the beauty of MIG welding is you just hold it close, pull the trigger, and it'll deposit a little weld pool to tack the 2 parts together. You just close your eyes. You don't really need to look. So this was actually quite interesting. Testing the heights and the width and everything was nice and square. A test fit for the bottle. The bottle is quite heavy and the tubing was not that strong, so in the future I might put some racks or trays underneath. Some old chain that I had to keep the bottle in position, and nice. I must say I'm quite impressed with what I could achieve with my bad eyesight. And then the next day the frame was painted, and it's quite nice now to have a welder ready for my next project.